Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Media Encoder. We will cover the essential steps to efficiently process your media files. This versatile application is a cornerstone for many creative workflows, allowing you to convert, compress, and export your projects with precision. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor, understanding its core functions will significantly enhance your post-production process. Let's dive right in and unlock its full potential together. Once Media Encoder is open, the first step is to bring in your media. You can easily drag and drop your video or audio files directly into the queue panel. Alternatively, click the Add Source button to navigate your computer and select the desired assets. It is helpful to organize your queue by reordering items, ensuring they process in your preferred sequence. This simple organization saves time and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, let's talk about encoding settings. Media Encoder offers a vast library of built-in presets for various platforms and devices, from YouTube to Blu-ray. You can also dive deeper to customize every aspect, including the format, video codec, resolution, and bitrate, ensuring your output meets exact specifications. Once you have fine-tuned your settings, save them as a new custom preset. This allows for quick and consistent application across multiple projects, saving you valuable time. With your files imported and settings applied, it is time to export. Simply click the prominent green Start Queue button to begin the encoding process. You can monitor the progress of each item in your queue, seeing estimated completion times and current status. Before starting, ensure your output folder is correctly set, making it easy to find your finished files. Once complete, your high-quality, optimized media will be ready for its final destination.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.